Hi all, in this video let's learn about npm script hacks. So firstly we'll learn about package variables, what are there, how to use them. Let's see that with an example. So this is a package.json file. Here, whatever you see this, we call this as a package level variables. If you want to use these variables inside this script, then how to use them? Okay, firstly npm run environment. So it will give a tons of environment variables in our application. So I'm filtering them with grep and npm underscore package underscore this. Why I'm doing this is npm automatically maps this package JSON properties with this prefix. So if I click enter, these are the environment variables. Okay, like these are the package level variables. Okay, so now I'm using this with a dollar symbol. See, if you want to use a version, okay, in the package.json file, if you want to use this version variable, package level variable, then this is how you need to use, because npm automatically maps this properties with npm underscore package. Okay, that's the reason you need to use like this. Whatever, if you want to use the name, npm underscore package underscore name. If you want to use the type, npm underscore package underscore type. So this is how you need to access the package level variables. So let's see what it will print. npm run show underscore version. Yeah, it is printing 1.0.1. So this is how you can access this package level variables inside the npm scripts. Okay, where you can use them. So firstly, when you're building your app, so you can incorporate this build version. So I can say this like this. So it means like you are keeping a version for this build. Okay, this is how you can use this package level variables inside the build scripts. And second way is like while you're logging any of the errors, then in that way also you can use this version so that you can understand, okay, in this particular version, this is a error messages we are logging. Okay, in these areas, it can helpful, the version especially. So this is the first point we learned about the package level variables. But if you see, this will work only in the Mac and the Linux machines, this dollar symbol. By seeing this dollar symbol, it can understand, the operating system can understand, and it will work only for the Mac and the Linux. But if you use the same in the Windows environment, it will not work. This is a compatibility issue. Okay, so how we can resolve this compatibility issue? Luckily, we have an package called Cross-Var. Okay, so I'm installing this package as a dev dependency. So with the help of this package, we can resolve this problem. So in general, in Windows, how we can use it, it should be used like this: percentage and variable and percentage. This is how we use in the Windows. So if you want to use that, so I'm using cross-var. So now this crosswire is a smart enough that it will understand which operating system it is, and it will convert this package level variables into that relevant compatible issue. Okay, it will try to resolve this compatibility, and it is smart enough to understand what is the operating system, and it will convert the variables according to that operating system and makes it compatible. For example, let's run this again. Okay, let me run it again. See, now also it has given us, but we wrote percentage. It is like Windows compatibility, but this is taking care. Okay, it is a Mac system, so it is trying to convert this as dollar symbol. Okay, this is how you can use the package level variables, and you can just set. So I will just set this as a dollar. Okay, as I'm working on Mac, I will set this as a dollar, and I will push the code. Even anyone who is using this code in the Windows, it will not give any error. This crossware will be taken care. This is the second point we wanted to learn. And the third point is, if you see, this is like a crossware. It will help us to evaluate the package level variables. Okay, and there is one more package called cross environment, where that will help. So for example, if you want to run this script, okay, now you are setting the environment variable, not package level variable. You are setting the environment level variable, and you are running this application. So it will work fine. So let me run. So it will work fine in the Mac and in the Linux machines. As usual, it will work fine. But if it comes to the Windows machine, it will not work. For the Windows specifically, you need to mention it as a set. Okay, then only it will work in the Windows machine. But how to make this compatible? Okay, as we have the compatibility issue here, but how to make this compatible with all the platforms? So for that, we have an package called Cross-Env. Again, I'm installing this as a dev dependency. So once I install this as a dev dependency, I will come here and I will just mention this as a Cross-Env. Okay, now what happens automatically? This is smart enough. It will understand what is the operating system we are working, and it will set the environment variable accordingly. Even if it is a Windows, Mac, or Linux, it is smart enough to understand it, and it will set the environment variable in such way. Now we may get confused with the cross-var and the cross environment, but remember, cross-var will be using when you want to evaluate any of the package level variables. Okay, here we are trying to evaluate this variable. So cross-var will be used in this area. When you want to, this is an environment level variable. Okay, when you want to set any of the environment variable, then cross environment should be used. Okay, these are the 3 points we learned. We learned about the package variable, cross-var, and cross environment. Hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.